Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The 1911, with a few exceptions, are single-action pistols. You will find the trigger on the Colt pistol tends to be very good with a light pull and clean break. Accuracy on modern Colt 1911 pistols is generally very good, but can vary with the use of different ammo. Shooters will find reloading the 1911 as simple.
Let's help you make your mark.
The S&W is far more substantial in the hands and does feel like it could take rougher treatment. The Colt is lighter, more easily concealed, and feels like it was built with a greater level of craftsmanship.
Let's help you make your mark.
The new Python cost more than the last production Python, which is reasonable. High prices are the result of the Python being out of production and a tremendous collector's market. Perhaps some of it is speculation. The single-action Army and the Colt 1911 are still in production and readily available.
Let's help you make your mark.
Colt has plenty of repair parts. They use them in-house and don't sell them anymore. The action parts of most Colt revolvers that use the old-style V-spring lockworks are very expensive to make and fit. They don't lend themselves to modern manufacturing methods either.
Take our lead.
End of production in October 1999, Colt announced that it would cease production of Python revolvers. In a 2000 follow-up letter to distributors, the company cited changing market conditions and the costs of defending lawsuits as the reasons to discontinue the Python line, as well as a number of other models.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.